If you say, I am studying since 2 hours, or she is working since morning, then you are making a big grammar mistake. And 80% of English learners make this mistake every day. Today, in just 5 minutes, I will teach you one simple formula that will fix this mistake forever. And at the end of this video, I will give you 4 test questions. If you get all correct, your English level is improving. Now let's start. Structure: subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Now I am going to discuss some examples. I have been studying. She has been working. They have been playing. We have been waiting. In the structure part, why did not I use since or for? Because since and for are not part of the structure. They are time expressions, not grammar structure. Remember, we use has with singular subject like he, she, it, and we use have with I, you, we, they. Now you should remember very simple formula for present perfect continuous tense. Has or have plus been plus verb first form plus ing. Now I am going to discuss when do we use it. We use present perfect continuous when an action started in the past and is still continue now. Now I am going to discuss some examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. It started 2 hours ago and I am still studying. She has been working since morning. She started in the morning and still working. You should remember, action is not finished, and that's why we use present perfect continuous tense here. Now I am going to discuss since versus for, where we use for and where we use since in present perfect continuous tense. We use for duration time period. For 2 hours, for 3 days, for 10 minutes, for 5 years. All these shows time duration. I am going to discuss example. I have been waiting for 30 minutes. We use since for starting point like since 9 a.m., since Monday, since 2020, since morning, and all these showing starting point. Now I am going to discuss example. She has been living here since 2022 and 2022 is a starting point. Now I am going to discuss easy trick for remembrance of for and since, where we can use it. For is used for how long and since from when. Okay, if you remember these tricks, then you can easily fix your mistakes. Now I am going to discuss some common mistakes that the students mostly do. I am studying since 2 hours. That is wrong because 2 hours show time period, not starting point. So the correct sentence is I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been studying for 1 hour. That is wrong because the correct sentence is she has been studying for 1 hour. They are playing since morning. That is wrong. They have been playing since morning is correct because you should remember we cannot use am, is, are with since for in this situation. You should remember we can only use here the tense present perfect continuous tense. Now I am going to discuss comparison between present perfect and present perfect continuous. In the present perfect, we should focus on result like I have studied English, okay? And in present perfect continuous tense, we should focus on duration, ongoing action. For example, I have been studying since for 2 hours. In the present perfect tense, action is completed, but in present perfect continuous tense, action is ongoing. Now, this is a practice time, and this is a very crucial part of this lecture. And you can pause the video and give the answer. First question is I blank been working for 3 hours. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is have. She has been blank read since morning. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is reading. Third question is they blank been playing since 5 p.m. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is have. We have been studying blank 2 hours. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is for. That's because 2 hours show time, period, duration. Okay. If this lesson helped you, like this video and comment your answers. Subscribe for more English grammar lessons and watch my previous video on present perfect tense. See you in the next class.